Well, what has changed? Exactly, the specification of RTX 4070 and 4080. First of all, remember to subscribe to the channel, activate the notification bell to stay up to date on upcoming videos, and if you want to take a look at our Twitter and Instagram profiles. For those who don't yet know, the upcoming RTX 40 desktop GPU series will be composed by 4 SKU, the RTX 4090, 4080, 4070 and 4060. To say the truth, if we consider also the RTX 4090 Ti disappeared from radar a long time ago, we can get to 5 models. But on the last months, the RTX 4000 GPU series changed its specification many times, and recently it happened another time, for 2 models, the RTX 4080 and the RTX 4070. Until now, the RTX 4080 specification should have the AD102-300 GPU with 84 streaming multiprocessor, 10230 CUDA core, 16 GB of GDDR6 memory operating at 18 GB per second, 256 bits of memory bus and 672 GB per second of memory bandwidth, with a TDP of 420 watts. The last rumors attribute to the SKU a total number of CUDA core cut for the accuracy of 512 units. We should bring the streaming multiprocessor from 84 to 76. Simultaneously, the memory was upgraded to GDDR6X module with 21 GB per second of memory bandwidth, while the other data, including the TDP, remaining unchanged. Continuing, also, the specification of the RTX 4070 has undergone changes. Previously, the GPU featured the AD104 GPU with AD104-275 variant with 60 streaming multiprocessor, 7168 CUDA core, 10 GB of GDDR6 memory operating at 18 GB per second, 160 bits of memory bus and 432 GB per second of memory bandwidth, all with a TDP of 300 watts. The newest specification of RTX 4070 seems to correspond to those attributed to the hypothetical RTX 4070 Ti, of which we talked about in this another video here on the top right. So, at this point, it should gain 512 CUDA core, strangely is the equivalent less of the RTX 4080. In addition to these, 2 GB of memory have been added, reach 12 GB, and the GDDR6 memory should be replaced by GDDR6X memory operating at 21 GB per second. However, making a short summary, the flagship RTX 4090 should have the full AD102-300 GPU with 128 streaming multiprocessors, 16,384 CUDA core, 24 GB of GDDR6X memory operating at 21 GB per second, 384 bits of memory bus, and 1 TB per second of memory bandwidth, with a TDP of 450 watts. Thus, the new NVIDIA generation has 3 models 4070, 4080 and 4090 with GDDR6X memory. Instead, the unique remain to be equipped with GDDR6 should be the RTX 4060, which should feature the AD104-310 GPU with 36 streaming multiprocessors, 4680 CUDA core, 8 GB of GDDR6 memory operating at 18 GB per second, 120 bits of memory bus and 432 GB of memory bandwidth, and 220 watts. In closing, after these yet another changes, the only certain thing is the released window. The RTX 4090, 4080, 4070 GPUs will be launched on the Q4 2022, start a month apart each. The release period of high-range RTX 4090 is set for October 2022, follow the RTX 4080 on November and the RTX 4070 on December. Last, the RTX 4060 will launch on Q1 2023 on January. Well, that's all for today. waiting new updates. As always, let me know what do you think in the comments below. If you find this video helpful, leave a like, share it with your friend, and don't forget to subscribe. Huge thanks for watching. See you again next time.